I think if you look at the game, and I think both games, there's the margins is so small in these games. You go to Zebre, there's 5 minutes left and we're ahead, and I mean we just couldn't keep it together for that last exit. So we put ourselves under pressure there. We give easy penalties away on our own ball, and I think that is what's putting us under pressure at the moment. So if we can sort that out, we're going to sort a lot out, Jenian. To be honest, I don't think there's a bad attitude on the field from what we see and what we review. I mean, if you see the tries that we scored, well, it's unbelievable tries. So like I said, if we can just get that small little mistakes that we make and we can minimize that, the results could have been totally different even in both of these games.